हाय फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते बच्चों। कैसे ये सब लोग? ठीक है ना? What we learned in the last class? एक ही मात्रा, the symbol of A, isn't it? Yes, I hope you know to read एक ही मात्रा and the words which is given in the box in page number 11. Did you read it? How many times you read? One time? Two time? After my class, you have to read the textbook and the box words, everything, several times. Then only you are able to read the Hindi words and sentence. We want to study Hindi, no? Yes. So, after my class, you read the textbook several times so that we will be able to read Hindi very well. Yes? Now, let us move to the second session of the lesson 3. Children, please open your textbook, page number 11. Here we are practicing to read small sentences with the Eki Matra. You read and practice this paragraph several times after the class. Okay. Read after me. Padan Abhyas. Reading practice. रमेश कल सवेरे रेलगाड़ी से मेरठ जा। रमेश कल सवेरे रेलगाड़ी से मेरठ जा। रमेश go to Meerut tomorrow by train. रमेश go to Meerut tomorrow by train. रमेश कल सवेरे रेलगाड़ी से मेरठ जा। हेमा का बेटा मेरठ में है। हेमा का बेटा मेरठ में है। Hema's son is in Meerut. Meerut means the place. Meerut. Meerut is the place. हेमा का बेटा मेरठ में है। Hema's son is in Meerut. Third line. उसके लिए सेब केला ले जा। उसके लिए सेब केला ले जा। Take apple and banana for him. Take apple and banana for him. उसके लिए सेब केला ले जा। नेक्स्ट लाइन। मिठाई और जलेबी भी ले जा। मिठाई और जलेबी भी ले जा। Take sweets and जलेबी। मिठाई जलेबी। मिठाई और जलेबी भी ले जा। मेज पर मीठे मीठे सेब और मिठाई है। मेज पर मीठे मीठे सेब और मिठाई है। There are sweets, apple and candy are on the table. मेज पर मीठे मीठे सेब और मिठाई है। तू भी एक सेब लेकर का। तू भी एक सेब लेकर का। You also take and eat one apple. You also take and eat one apple. You read and practice this paragraph several times after the class. Okay, children, next is meaning. There are 9 meanings. These 9 meanings you have to by heart it, and you have to write in the notebook also. For tomorrow's class test, I will be asking this meaning and some new words also. Shabdarth, glossary. Read after me loudly, okay? Kal, tomorrow. Kal, tomorrow. Beta, son. Beta, son. Mithai, sweets. Mithai, sweets. Savera, morning. Savera, morning. Save, apple. Save, apple. Maze, table. Maze, table. Railgadi, train. Railgadi, train. Kela, banana. Kela, banana. Mela, carnival. Mela, carnival. Now you take your Hindi notebook. Take a fresh page, a new page, and write the heading Part 3. 3. Ek ki matra. Underline the heading. After this, write A and its symbol the same way. Then leave one line. Next side heading, new words. After underlining new words, draw a line in the middle of the page. Then write 10 new words. These new words and meaning you have to study for the class test. 1. Kela. 2. Save. 3. Savera. 4. Basera. 5. Beta. 6. Mela. 7. Paid. Paid means tree. Desh. 9. Bed. 10. Karela. So write these 10 new words neatly. After writing it, take next page. Write the side heading meaning. 9 meanings are there. Draw a line in the middle of the page, and question and answer is writing in the same line. Look here, Kal is the question, answer tomorrow. Both are writing in the same line, but Hindi is writing below the line. Look carefully, Kal is written below the line, and the answer, the meaning is writing above the line. So follow this pattern. Write neatly. Okay, let us see which are the meaning. Just read. 1. Kal, meaning tomorrow. Kal, tomorrow. Second, beta, son. Mithai, sweets. Savera, morning. सेब, apple, मेज, table, रेलगाड़ी, train, केला, banana, मेला, carnival. So these 9 meanings you write in a page. Write carefully and neatly. Study this meaning and new words for the class test tomorrow. So children, write every day 5 times 2 new words and 2 meanings in the copy, and in the notebook write meanings and new words. So today we learn to read sentences with eki matra, then we learn meaning and new words. Hope you understood this part. Next we are going to study 7 names of the pictures. You have to write and study the spelling of each pictures. Watch it. Okay, now let us say the name of the pictures. Start. Kela, सेब, पेड़, मेला, बेड, करेला, सवेरा. Once again, केला, सेब, पेड़, मेला, बेड, करेला, सवेरा. So dear children, what and all we learned today? Yes, today we learned some new words and meaning, then small sentences with the eki matra. After that, some name of the pictures. So for tomorrow's class test, you prepare well. Learn the meaning and new words. Then learn the name of the pictures. Okay? तो बच्चों साफ रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. चलिए हम फिर मिलते हैं. बाय बाय.